In this lesson, we're going to place the block display that we created in our upcoming events view on our home page so that it can actually be seen on the site. Right now we're looking at the home page, and we're going to place the block right under external resources in the sidebar on the right-hand side. Let's go back to our view and take a quick look at it. Under displays, we have two displays, upcoming page and block. The block display is the one that we want on the home page. If I scroll down to the preview, you'll see what this looks like. We won't actually place the block using view configuration. Instead, we're going to go under Structure and find Block Layout. If I scroll down here, on the right-hand side, I have the lists of views that are available with block views for display. The one I'm interested in right now is the one that we created, which is Upcoming Events. This only exists because I created that block display. If I did not create that block display, then this would not be available in the list of blocks that I can add. I'll go ahead and click to add this, and you'll see that there are a few options here. First of all, I can display the title or not, and there's a checkbox here where I can override the title if I want it to say something else. I can also change the number of items that display in the block if the default setting that I configured when I set up the view is not what I really want for this particular display. As with other block configuration on our site, I can also restrict where this block displays, and I want to do that by setting it to only display on the front page. The other thing that I want to do here is scroll down, and in Region, I want to make sure to choose Second Sidebar. Now I can go ahead and save this block. And if I scroll down here, it's now in my list of blocks. I'm going to save the block layout page for good measure. And now we can go over to the home page and reload it and see what happens. Now there's a list of upcoming events, which shows up the way that I want it to display. Notice that it's above the external resources block, and I actually want it to display below that block. So I can go back to Structure, Block Layout, scroll down to Sidebar Second, and then simply drag the order to change it. Scroll all the way down and save blocks. I'll go back to my home page, and now the upcoming events block is displaying below external resources. The More link here takes me to the page of upcoming events. In this lesson, we reviewed placing a block into a region on the site and restricting it to the front page. The block that we placed was one that we created in the configuration settings for the upcoming events view. It's specifically a display that shows the next 3 upcoming events, and it is designed for the home page itself.